Tired of complicated and slow ways to send money to your loved ones abroad? Remitly offers a fast, reliable, and user-friendly solution to send money internationally. First, let's get you set up. Download the Remitly app or visit Remitly.com and click Sign Up. You'll need to create an account by entering your email address, creating a secure password, and selecting your country of residence. Be sure to use a valid email address that you have access to. Now, let's set up your transfer. Choose the country you are sending money to from the Send to list, which will determine the exchange rate and available delivery options. Next, you'll need to enter your recipient's details, including their full name, address, and phone number. Accuracy is key to ensure smooth delivery. Select your preferred delivery method. Remitly offers options like bank deposit, cash pickup at various locations, or even mobile money transfers. Choose the one that works best for your recipient. Now it's time to choose how you want to pay. Remitly accepts various payment methods including credit cards, debit cards, and bank accounts. Each option may have different fees and processing times. Before finalizing, carefully review all the details of your transaction, including the amount, recipient information, delivery method, and fees. This is your last chance to make sure everything is correct. Once you're confident, hit send, and that's it. You'll receive a confirmation with a transaction number, and Remitly will keep you updated on the status of your transfer. Remitly uses state-of-the-art security measures to protect your information and money, so you can send with confidence, knowing your transfers are fast, reliable, and secure. Start sending money with ease today. Visit Remitly.com to learn more and sign up. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks.